Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing y'all how to make these 5 painted pots. This project is perfect for any plant lovers like me who want to spice up their pot collection. These designs are both simple yet beautiful, and they're also very affordable too. I got most of my supplies at Michael's. The pots were around 50 cents to $2 depending on what size you want. I also have acrylic paint at home, so I didn't need to purchase that, but if you don't have any, you can pick up a small set for less than $10. Other than the pots, the only other item I purchased was a top coat to help seal in the paint. I'll put the names for all the materials I used in the description box below. So for the first pot, we're going to paint it white, leaving about 1.5 inches unpainted at the bottom. Next, we're going to mix 1 part of the aqua paint with 1 part white and paint the lower portion. Lastly, we're just going to add our top coat to protect our paint, and voila, we're done with our first pot. Easy, right? So for the second one, we're just going to paint the pot white, leaving about 1 to 2 centimeters unpainted at the bottom. Next, we're going to paint that bottom part gold. We're going to mix 1 part gold with 1 part white so the color will be less opaque. And after the white dries, we're going to take the back of our paintbrush and we're going to add gold dots onto the white paint. Lastly, we're just going to add our layer of top coat, and there you go, we're done with our second pot. For the third pot, we're going to paint the bottom half white and the top half with a light purple mixture, which is half purple and half white. The top half was originally painted orange, but I felt like it was too similar to the pot's original color, so I changed that to purple, which is why you see the orange in the beginning. So once the paint dries, we're going to make a light pink color, 1 part red and 1 part white, and make little stripes throughout the pot. Afterwards, you're going to take a pointed brush and add little dots around. Once again, add the top coat when the paint is dried, and you're done! For the fourth pot, we're going to mix 1 part yellow and 1 part white and paint the entire pot with that mixture. Next, taking a fine tip brush, we're going to add little thin white lines onto the pot, sort of forming an arch. It's okay if you make mistakes, you can easily just go back in with paint to fix it up. Now we're just going to add the top coat and we're done. So I saved the best for last. This is probably my favorite design. So for the last pot, we're going to mix 1 part light blue with 1 part white and paint the entire pot with that mixture. After that dries, we're just going to take the pink mixture from the third pot and paint little triangles all around. Next we're going to take the yellow paint mixture from pot number 4 and continue making triangles. Lastly, using the aqua mixture from pot number 1, we're going to finish up with our triangles. You can go back later with paint to clean up the edges of the triangles. And now we just apply a top coat and we're done. So there you have it, 5 beautiful designs. Now all you have to do is add some soil and the plant of your choice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found new ways to decorate your house. If you liked the video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I post videos every Tuesday and Saturday on this channel and every Thursday on Ollie the Cat's channel, so check those out if you get a chance. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!